Well, wouldn't you know it, another odd connection between Blake Lively's lawyers and these women's organizations that are coming out in support of Blake. First, I talked about Ezra Hudson being on the board of the California Women's Law Center. And then just last night, another amicus brief came out, and wouldn't you know, Blake Lively's law firm provide pro bono work for them. Sanctuary for Families, who is leading this amicus brief, yep, Manat, Phelps, and Phillips LLP is listed as those that support Sanctuary for Families. So was there maybe a phone call from Ezra Hudson? Seems like she's the connecting piece with a lot of these organizations. When you look up Ezra, I mean, and good for her. She's done a lot of pro bono work. Manat, the law firm, very proud about the pro bono work they've done. And I agree with them. People should have equal access to powerful law firms like this. But I'm sorry, that also doesn't get you off of doing sketchy shit. It's not like balancing the scales of I've done so much good that it's okay if I leverage these connections and organizations to support Blake Lively in her attempt to get Justin Baldoni's defamation lawsuit dismissed. Not only do I believe all of these amicus briefs that are coming out are an attempt to sway the courts, but I also believe they're an attempt to sway the public. And I genuinely would not be surprised if we start to see more and more PR similar to this one in US Weekly, talking about all these organizations and all these activists that are coming out to support Blake. And when you look at all of the press for Manat and their pro bono work, they're constantly celebrating it. They're constantly centering it as a pillar of the firm, which again, I think is really amazing. But you can't tell me that they don't know someone at each of these organizations. But I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this? And what do you think the judge should do? Blake, her team, and even the judge have spared no words on accusing Justin's side of leveraging things for press. And it doesn't take over 15 years in branding and marketing like I have to see exactly what Blake Lively's side is doing.